Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a saved card or other payment method from your Amazon account using the Amazon app. First, open the Amazon app on your smartphone and make sure you're signed in. Next, tap on the menu icon and go to Account. Scroll down until you see the Amazon Pay section, then tap on Manage Payment Options. You'll now see a list of all the payment methods saved to your Amazon account. Find the card or payment method you want to remove and tap on the Remove option next to it. When prompted, select Confirm to remove the payment method. Once confirmed, the selected card will be deleted from your Amazon account and removed from all devices linked to that account. And that's how you remove a card or payment method from Amazon using the app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.